Hello everyone, I'm Shreya from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying in CINSM, Department of Electronics and Communication. Now I'm going to discuss about properties of light. The physical terms which are used in properties of light are light rays, reflection, emission, refraction, dispersion, electromagnetic radiation. So firstly, what is light? Light is an electromagnetic radiation that can be perceived by the human eye. Visible light is actually defined as having wavelength in the range of 400 to 700 nanometers, corresponding to frequencies of 750 to 420 Hz between infrared and ultraviolet. And let's discuss about properties of light. Properties of light are light travels very fast, light has a dual nature, light can travel in straight line, light can vary in intensity, light interacts with matter, light is comprised of many colors, light carries energy and information. So the first property is light travels very fast. Light is made up of electromagnetic waves and it travels at the speed because that is exactly how quickly waves of electricity and magnetism travel through space. Nothing travels faster than light. Speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And the second property is light has a dual nature. Light is an energy form with a dual nature. Light has both particle and wave qualities, implying that it has both particle and wave aspects. Albert Einstein in 1950 asserted that light is a particle containing energy corresponding to their wavelength. Light can behave as wave or as particle called photons. And the third property of light is light travels in straight line. The phenomenon that light travels in straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. Light wave can be considered to travel from one point to another along straight line joining them. The path of light is called ray of light. The ancient Greek mathematician Euclid described the law of reflection is about 300 BCE. This states light travels in straight line and reflects from a surface at the same angle. And the fourth property of light is light varies in intensity. The intensity of light is a measure of its brightness. I is equals to P by A. We have an equation for intensity of light. I is equals to P by A. Intensity is defined as power P per unit area. Its units are watts per square meter or W by M square. When you are close to source, the light is more intense, and when you are far from source, the light is less intense. And the fifth property of light is light interacts with matter. Light can change speed direction when it interacts with matter. Light reflects off a mirror and refracts as it passes through from air to glass to water. Light interacts with matter as follows. Emission. Matter release energy E as light. Absorption. Matter takes E from light. Transmission. Matter allow light to pass. Reflection. Matter repels light in another. And the sixth property of light is comprised of many colors. White light is composed of many colors. It can be dispersed using a prism. It has all seven colors of rainbow. We call it as with Gaia. This visible light travel at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. Finally, Isaac Newton proved that white light is made up of a spectrum of colors by splitting light with a prism. And the last property of light is light carries energy and information. Light may carry information defined by which frequencies of light spectrum it has. Visible light is a form of radiation which can be defined as an energy that travels in the form of electromagnetic waves. We use light to communicate through AM or FM radios, mobile phones, and fiber optic cables. And finally, conclusion of properties of light. The primary properties of light are intensity, propagation direction, frequency or wavelength, spectrum, and polarization. Light has the properties of waves. Like ocean waves, light waves have created crush and troughs. Light is a form of energy that causes the sensation of vision. In this diagram, we can observe all the properties of light that we had discussed. White light is composed of 7 colors and the light is moving in straight direction, and light is comprised of many colors. Light varies with intensity and light has a dual nature and etc. Thank you.